What are historical bonds? Explain simply for financial markets. Imagine a world where governments and companies needed money to build roads, fund wars, or expand businesses. How did they get that money? Enter historical bonds. These are debt securities issued in the past that have shaped our financial systems and institutions. They allow entities to borrow money from investors, promising to pay back the principal along with interest over time. The idea of bonds goes back centuries. One of the first recorded instances of a government bond was by the British government in the year 1693. This marked the start of what we now know as the bond market. Over the years, bonds have become essential in global finance, providing a way for governments and corporations to raise capital. Now, let's look at the different types of historical bonds. First, we have government bonds. These are issued by central governments to finance public projects or military efforts. Examples include United States Treasuries and British gilts. These bonds are often seen as low-risk investments and serve as benchmarks for other types of bonds. Next, there are corporate bonds. Companies issue these to raise funds for business growth, acquisitions, or to refinance existing debt. Corporate bonds usually offer higher yields than government bonds, reflecting the increased risk of default. Municipal bonds come from local governments and municipalities. They help fund public projects like schools, roads, and utilities. These bonds often come with tax benefits for investors. Another interesting type is mortgage-backed securities. These bonds are backed by mortgages, allowing investors to engage in the housing market. The bond market has evolved significantly over time. In the 1970s, advancements in technology and finance led to a more dynamic bond market. This period saw an increase in trading and the creation of new financial instruments. The introduction of the euro in 1999 expanded the European bond market, while emerging economies have also become key players in the global bond scene. Historical bonds have played a vital role in shaping financial markets. They provide a stable source of funding for large projects and offer a reliable income stream for investors. The growth of the bond market has been influenced by changes in regulations, technological advancements, and economic conditions. In essence, bonds have been a cornerstone of financial development. They have enabled governments and corporations to finance ambitious projects while allowing investors to participate in these ventures. The history of bonds is rich with examples of their impact on economic growth and financial stability, making them a fascinating topic for anyone interested in the evolution of financial systems and institutions.